welcome to our channel. If you want to adjust playback speed controls on your iPad, follow these simple steps to control video and audio playback across various apps. Step 1. Open the app where you want to adjust playback speed. Most video and audio apps like Safari, Apple TV, or podcasts have built-in speed controls. Step 2. Start playing the video or audio content you want to watch or listen to. Step 3. Tap on the screen while the content is playing to reveal the playback controls overlay at the bottom or top of the screen. Step 4. Look for the playback speed icon, which is typically represented by 1x or a speedometer symbol. The location varies by app, but is usually near the play/pause button. Step 5. Tap on the playback speed control to reveal speed options. Common choices include 0.5x, 0.75x, 1x, normal, 1.25x, 1.5x, and 2x speed. Step 6. Select your preferred playback speed by tapping on the desired option. The content will immediately adjust to the new speed. Step 7. Note that not all apps support playback speed controls. If you don't see the option, consider using alternative apps or the built-in accessibility settings. Step 8. To use system-wide speed controls, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Spoken Content, and enable Speak Screen for additional playback options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.